Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to download Western Union application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android phone. Once you open up Google Play Store, go to the search box in the top and type in Western Union and search. Now go ahead and look for this application that says Western Union Self-Service. Tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your Android device, which will take a couple of minutes. Western Union is a global money transfer service that allows you to send and receive money internationally. Some of its key features are speed, convenience, multiple receive options, and international money transfer. Wait for the application to download and install, and after it's done, tap on Open to launch Open Western Union on your Android phone in just a couple of minutes. So that's how you can easily get Western Union mobile application on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.